Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/best advanced software 1891. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best affiliate marketing tools with buying guides and reviews. In the ever evolving digital marketing landscape, affiliate marketing has emerged as a power strategy, and selecting the right tools can significantly impact success. In this dynamic landscape, selecting the right tool is crucial for maximizing efficiency and success. Here you can see a list of the 10 best affiliate marketing tools, each play a vital role in empowering marketers to optimize their campaigns, track performance, and foster lucrative collaborations. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/best advanced software 1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, Communication Junction. Let's know its features. This tool offers a diverse range of reputable advertisers and products. It robust tracking and reporting tools for practical campaigns analysis. This tool provides timely and reliable commissions payment to affiliate marketers. Number 2, Share a Sale. Let's know its features. Diverse merchants options cater to various affiliate niches and interests. A user-friendly interface simplifies the process of finding and promoting products. Reliable tracking and reporting tools ensure transparency and accurate commission calculation. Number 3, ClickBank. Let's know its features. It provides robust tracking tools ensuring accurate commissions attributions. The platform payment system is reliable and timely. ClickBank's popularity attracts a large community of potential customers. Number 4, Ahrefs. Let's know its features. Offer SEO insight, enhancing the effectiveness of affiliate marketing strategies. Its competitor analysis help affiliate identity opportunity and weakness quickly. The keyword research tool empower affiliate to target high performance terms. Number 5, SEMrush. Let's know its features. SEMrush offers robust SEO insight, adding strategic keyword optimization. Its competitor analysis features help refine affiliate marketing strategies effectively. SEMrush backlink analysis enhance link building effort for improved affiliate visibility. Number 6, AppTrack. Let's know its features. AppTrack offers detailed real-time analytics for precise campaigns monitoring. Its robust reporting tools enable affiliate to optimize strategies effectively. The platform supports multi-currency tracking catering to a global audience. Number 7, ConvertKit. Let's know its features. Streamlines email automation, simplifies affiliate campaigns management efficiently, and intuitive user interface enhance the user experience for seamless navigations. The robust analytics feature provide insight for optimizing affiliate marketing strategies. Number 8, Post Affiliate Pro. Let's know its features. Comprehensive tracking and analytics provide valuable insight into campaigns performance. Customizable commission structures allow tailored reward based on affiliate contributions. It offers user-friendly interface promoting accessibility for both merchants and affiliates. Number 9, Opt-in Monster. Let's know its features. Boost conversions with engaging opt-in form and exit intent technology. Versatile targeting option tailors opt-ins based on user behavior and demographics. Seamless integration with popular email marketing and CRM platform simplified workflow. Number 10, Affiliate WP. Let's know its features. Provide detailed reporting, offer insight into affiliate performance and campaigns. Customizable setting allow tailoring affiliate program to specific business needs. Seamless integration with WordPress. making it user friendly for website owners. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.bestadvancedsoftware.com/affiliate marketing tools/. Thanks for watching.